back to Whistle Thicket. We are going to talk about the value of raising a garden partially for your own animals and raising animals to improve your garden. So it's a really simple cycle. If you start a garden, you are going to have parts of that garden that you are not going to use. But guess what? Your leftovers, your spoiled harvest, if you have crops that are slightly damaged from insects, you can feed that to your farm animals. So we have chickens, we have goats, we have horses, we have a pet pig, we have a pet rabbit now, and all of those animals can help improve our garden. We have awesome compost that is mainly from our horse manure plus our chicken bedding and our chicken manure. We do have some pig manure in there and goats. We are about to add a little bit of rabbit compost every now and then. So we have the animals are improving our garden, but for all of their hard work, we are going to reward the animals with some of our harvest. So let's go ahead and share some of our extra harvest with some of our animals. What are the animals doing for the garden? They are making amazing compost. We have had just a great garden so far. I'm really proud of the way things are going right now. It's probably going to be the best garden I've ever had. So they make really awesome compost. Let's go ahead and check some of it out. I am just going to show you a few of our crops in the garden real quick, a quick mini tour. Most of these crops were grown from our compost. I'd say 85% of our soil is from our compost. Next year it will be 100%. I just don't need to buy soil. I'm making it. So let's check out a quick garden tour. What is the best animal to start as a homesteader? The easy answer is chickens. That is what everybody says. Chickens, 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 chickens. I do agree with that in most cases, but you have to look at your land. You have to see what you're willing to do, how much time you have, and most importantly, you have to figure out what you like to do. So I love chickens. That's how I started out living in the suburbs. I've had chickens for about 10 years now. So chickens are a great way to start. Amy is a horse trainer. She's been working with horses really since she was 15. So she started with horses. That's her passion. And some people don't like birds. Some people are afraid of birds. They don't want to be near them. I understand. It is okay. The important thing is figure out what you like to do and do it. For us, it's goats, horses, chickens, our pet pig. Rowan has a pet rabbit now, like I said. But the main thing should be that the homesteading you choose to do makes you happy. If it doesn't make you happy, then why do it, right? This is a short video. I just wanted to show you a little bit how the garden helps the animals and the animals help the garden. It's a great cycle. You'll have a better garden with animals. You'll have better animals with a garden. I give lots of leftovers to them. We just can't eat everything. We can't give everything away. But I don't consider anything wasted. If it's fed to the animals, that is definitely not a waste because it's keeping the animals healthy, especially the goats like variety. It's keeping the animals happy, and we will use some of their waste back into the garden. So the garden is there for the animals are there for the garden, and I'm really enjoying this endless cycle we have started. So thanks again for joining us, and I hope you have a great afternoon.